In today's video, we will be walking around updating you on all the odds and ends that we have just recently been finishing up to give everyone a good idea of how close we are to this house really being done and to see how far we've come in the last few months.
All right, we're back. And in this video, we're gonna go over a bunch of different things, not focus on one. We've done the screen porch. We're gonna show how that happened. All the appliances are in. We're gonna showcase those. And we did some of our own railings by buying the stuff off of Amazon. So we're gonna show how that turned out. So stick around, let's get to it. Bueno, no bueno. All right, so this is our screen porch. Woo, don't fall off. So they're putting in the tracks now. And then the screen runs around. It's got a little place that snaps in on the back side. And then after they've got the screen part done, they've got these. Look, you don't need to be near an edge. We know about your history.
No, I was looking for the other ladders.
Oh, good luck. Then we got this post. And the pieces is from Trek Select is who we're using. And that'll be, along with this railing, that'll be our little porch railing here. I thought about doing motorized ones. We are doing those at the bowling alley house, so you'll get to see those. But with the arches and everything, it was kind of difficult to do, so it wasn't worth it. We've got the patio. I feel like if we wanted to have the screen up, it's because we're probably down at the pool anyway. So didn't spend that money. You will get to see those. So. There'll be a couple posts on each side. We could have spanned this one with one post, but then it would have looked weird with two and one. So, yeah. And this is the same guys running this are the guys we use, different installers, but the same kind of company that tile work and some other paint work and other stuff for us. So been really happy with them, and should be together by tomorrow. All right, so this is our stone staircase project. So, the whole house is concrete. So what we're doing here is Enrique and Juan have gone in and done new risers out of, no, these are stringers. They've done new stringers out of laminates. So these are lamb beams, they're usually structural beams, and added a bunch of them. And put all this together, and then into this wall, they ran a really long, ran these for extra support. And then he's gonna come in here and go down to about the second step and wall this off as well. So these get stone on the bottom, stone treads, they get stone here, and then all this will get micro cement that looks like stone. So the finished product is supposed to look like a stone staircase if everything goes as planned. Whoa. Yeah, that's gotta get cleaned up. General idea is we'll cut these and that'll be our treads. Also, doubles weightlifting. So we decided to do these tension, what is this called? Like cable rail? Tension, that's a cable rail. Thank you. We decided to do cable rail, and he's been working on that today, so we got that built. He did the trim. Here, let me 0.5 y'all, there you go. And these, you see this? Gets ran. And because of the way our stuff was and the height we wanted and blah, 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 blah. So we're gonna end up losing one, but we'll put a plug in that. It's fine. Because you also have to remember code when you're doing this stuff. And the top of this rail cannot be more than 38 inches from the top of the step, the final tread that we're going to have on there. And you can't have more than 4 inches between railings, between wires. And so we're good on all that. These are some temporary treads. We had to go ahead and put these on for our inspections, but these are going to be replaced with stone. So the entire stairway will be stone, stone wall, stone treads, stone risers, everything. So it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to look like a stone staircase. These rails, this kit came off of Amazon. So I think I've got, with the railing, all those, kids are gonna be playing on, and the side railings and everything. I think I've got $2,000 in all of it, from the top all the way to the bottom. So that's for railings. That's this type railing. That's pretty good. Yeah. So we knew we wanted to do something like this. We didn't want the balusters. I hate those, and turned out pretty good. We got to clean everything, but other than that, we're ready for safety first.
We got the range top for the kitchen upstairs that we're gonna have to carry in now. Looks like it's attached to this pallet, so we'll probably just stick the whole thing in. Looks like we got probably the wall hood for downstairs, the motor for one of these. We got the range top in here, and then the wall hood for up here, which is huge.
All our appliances upstairs are Thermador, hood, range, refrigerator, freezer, and the double oven. Absolutely nothing in complete chaos. Plumbing trim out starts today. All this is from Ferguson in Raleigh. Been working with Lucas there. Has been a great resource, really helped me out. So all these have labels based on the way you lay out your quote to begin with. So trim guys and Talberts and Carter Lumber, take note, because this would be 100 times better. But it tells you the rooms and where everything goes. And yeah, so let's get on to that. Gotta have a pop filler. Some people don't like them. Jackie didn't believe it until I bought her one in the farmhouse, and now I had to put them everywhere. Yeah, but all the plumbing fixtures did come through Ferguson. We use them. They're out of Raleigh. Lucas and Kemper are actually, Kemper's my outside sales rep. Lucas is inside. And you can go in just go in yourself. You don't have to have a builder. And don't be fooled by the high prices. Those are just, I don't know if those are meant to keep people out or they have to advertise retail. But once you pick everything out you want, then they work out your discounts and everything. And they make sure you get all the little parts and pieces that you don't even think of that you need. So your plumber will be happy, and the whole process just runs a lot smoother. Now down here still did gas. This is GE range, GE fridge, another pot filler. Can't remember who this is from. I want to say, I gotta say on it, BR something. I can turn it off. It's a touch, like you wave your hand or whatever. Bosch dishwasher, and all the cabinets here upstairs and all the bathrooms came from Carter. Through them, they're out of Sanford, Carter Lumber, so we did a deal with them, and then they managed the whole design process, installation, everything. They have been great. So we'll be doing them from here on. Exhaust fan, we've got to put the little vents in there, and we've got the little cover piece for the top. And yeah, got our cabinets, everything covered up so they don't get messed up. Should be good. So we ended up doing all Thermador appliances up here. We got the big gas range for Jackie. That's what she wanted. We did the big hood. Had to scour the country to find it. We've got a hood cover being made. This has a fan in the attic that pulls it so you don't actually hear it super loud down here. It's just loud, but and that's on 4. And normally you can't even talk in front of one of these. Like in the farmhouse, it's so loud you can't hear. But it's upstairs, so all you're hearing is the air pulling through down here. It's got heat lamps, so you can help keep your food warm. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. And it's gonna connect to the Wi-Fi, so we'll show that in the automation video. Of course, we've got our pot filler. We did the Thermador double oven. You can choose which way you want this to hinge, but that way you're not sitting here over top of the hot door that's sticking out. So you got it right here. We can cook a whole chicken apparently. That should come in handy. This is pretty cool. Watch this. You know how sometimes with the suction it's hard to pull, especially on the high-end fridges? It's got a little deal that pops out.
Wow.
Boop. And gives it a little push, and it seals back up.
Thank you everybody so much for sticking around on this walkthrough update journey with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Starting this week, we'll have a new video on Sunday, which used to be Monday's video. Thursdays will remain the same. Hopefully, as we build up some more footage, we'll get to 3 videos a week, but we don't want to rush perfection. Make sure to hit that like button, make a comment, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. It really helps the channel. See you in the next one.